Meaning of game reserve.
Game reserve.
Game reserve.
Game reserve.
Game reserve. A game reserve is a protected area of land where wildlife can live and roam free from human interference, hunting, or exploitation. Game reserves are usually established for the purpose of conservation, research, and tourism. These reserves provide a sanctuary for a variety of animal species, including endangered species, and they offer visitors a chance to experience wildlife in their natural habitat. Game reserves often have strict regulations that ensure the safety and well-being of both the animals and visitors. By preserving wildlife and their habitats, game reserves help maintain biodiversity and promote ecological sustainability.